Today I am reviewing Pixio PXC248 Wave Blue 24-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Pixio PXC248 Wave Blue is a premium gaming monitor designed to deliver a powerful and immersive visual experience for both competitive gamers and casual users. Right out of the box, the monitor makes a strong impression with its striking blue design and sleek curved frame that is tailored for long hours of comfortable viewing. At its core, the Pixio PXC248 is built for speed. Featuring a blazing fast 200 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms GTG response time, this monitor offers smooth, lag-free gameplay that gives gamers a real edge. Whether you're playing fast-paced first-person shooters, racing games, or expansive open-world titles, the combination of high refresh rate and ultra-low response time ensures your actions are displayed instantly and accurately, eliminating ghosting or motion blur. One of the standout features of this monitor is its 1500R curved VA panel. This curvature wraps around your field of vision, creating a more immersive gaming environment. You don't just play the game, you become a part of it. Combined with the full HD 1080p resolution, this curvature makes gaming sessions more engaging while also reducing eye strain over extended periods. The Pixio PXC248 also delivers exceptional color performance thanks to its HDR support and fast VA technology. HDR brings richer colors, deeper contrast, and improved brightness, allowing games, videos, and multimedia content to look vivid and realistic. Whether it's deep shadows in horror games or bright landscapes in adventure titles, the visual quality is consistently impressive. Adaptive sync technology is another critical feature here. It helps synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. This results in a smoother gaming experience without distractions, something every gamer truly appreciates. In terms of connectivity, the Pixio PXC248 comes with DisplayPort and HDMI ports, allowing flexible connections to PCs, gaming consoles, or other devices. The monitor also supports tilt and pivot adjustments, making it ergonomic and customizable to your gaming setup. The inclusion of built-in speakers adds convenience, although for full immersive audio, dedicated gaming headphones are recommended. From a design perspective, this monitor is as functional as it is visually appealing. The 1500R curve, the matte finish, and the minimal bezel design give it a modern, clean look that works well whether it's on your desk at home or in a gaming tournament setup. Its compact 24-inch size makes it a great choice for both small and medium-sized gaming spaces without sacrificing immersion or performance. Performance-wise, Pixio's PXC248 stands out in its price category. The combination of high refresh rate, low response time, HDR, and adaptive sync makes this monitor a competitive choice for gamers who demand smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. It's especially ideal for esports players who need speed and precision. On top of this, Pixio offers a 3-year warranty, reflecting confidence in the build quality and durability of this monitor. Customer reviews praise its performance, reliability, and immersive design, making it one of the most respected choices for a budget-friendly curved gaming monitor in the market. In summary, the Pixio PXC248 Wave Blue 24-inch gaming monitor is a complete package. It delivers fast, smooth gameplay, vivid visuals, and immersive design while keeping ergonomics and affordability in mind. For gamers who want an upgrade from standard 60 Hz monitors and crave a competitive advantage, this monitor is an outstanding option in 2025. If you want immersive gameplay with high responsiveness and stunning visuals, the Pixio PXC248 is definitely worth considering.